Welcome to this guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through how to access the Health Portal by Dr. Johnson Chiropractic, a trusted resource designed to support your wellness and provide easy access to chiropractic care information. The Health Portal was built to make it simple for patients and visitors to connect with reliable resources. Instead of searching across scattered sites or waiting for appointments to get basic answers, you can unlock a full range of information, tools, and updates directly from one place. Here's how to get started. First, head to the official Dr. Johnson Chiropractic website. On the homepage, you'll see a menu bar with several options. Look for the one labeled Health Portal. Click it, and you'll instantly open a hub packed with useful features. Inside the portal, you'll find everything from chiropractic service details, wellness programs, and appointment scheduling to educational articles about posture, spinal health, and injury prevention. It's all presented in clear language, so you don't need a medical background to understand it. What makes this portal stand out is its focus on patient empowerment. You'll gain access to self-care tips, stretching guides, and preventive advice designed to keep you healthier between visits. Plus, the portal is updated regularly, ensuring the information you read is always current and relevant. Another advantage is accessibility. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or desktop, the portal is designed to work smoothly wherever you are. That means health resources are always within your reach. To recap, visit the Dr. Johnson Chiropractic website, click on Health Portal, and unlock a world of support, guidance, and resources to help you take better care of your health. That's how you can click to unlock the Health Portal by Dr. Johnson Chiropractic. Explore it today and take the first step toward a healthier, more balanced lifestyle.